Whenever you want to edit an object or a pattern, you will need to have that object selected. Whenever an object is selected, a red box will appear around it on your cutting mat preview. You can cycle through this selection using the left and right arrows on the edit screen. Alternatively, you can select more than one shape at a time using the selection tool. The first option on the left is a partial selection tool. This allows you to crop out specific shapes that you don't want to select and only select those that you do. The other option on this screen is simply to select everything. And of course, you need to confirm your selection before you move on with your next task. And if you wish to deselect, just tap anywhere on the mat.